learned something in nature that everything has a certain time. If I were an alien visiting Earth for the first time, so just imagine this, and I looked at a baby, I would have never realized that that a crying baby would eventually turn into an adult who would learn to talk and who would learn to construct buildings and speak and build things. If I were to look at a caterpillar for the first time, I would have never imagined that a small crawling insect would eventually turn into a butterfly for the first time. A caterpillar has a purpose in life. Its purpose is to eat leaves and train its body to become a butterfly. A caterpillar never worries because it is confident in its mission. It knows its purpose, so that's why it never worries, because it knows that it has to work hard to become a butterfly. If I were to look at a seed for the first time and had it in the palm of my hand, I would throw it away because I would never assume that this seed would be purpose. I would have never been aware of its purpose and its power. But when that seed is in the ground, with dirt and rain and sun, it will eventually grow from a sapling to a full blossom, tall wooded oak tree. And that tree will be a home for numerous animals. And will also be shade during the hot. And those are just some of the miracles of life that I've come to realize. There was one day I was walking outside and I saw a pot of flowers. And some flowers weren't bloomed yet, even though they came from the same root. And even though they're from the same root, they don't blossom at the same time. Because that's just the way that life is sometimes. But in nature is never rushes the process. There's always a process through life, and we all have to go through it. And as humans, sometimes we just want to rush that process. And we would like to just have it instantly, like microwavable foods. But nature, it never complains. It never does, even though as humans we would do that because we would like it right now. But nature never does that. And those are just some of the miracles of life. And everything in life has to go through a transformation. Transformation is something that can happen instantly. The weather, it can turn from clouds outside that are beautiful to a tornado the next day or the next hour. And things just transform within an instant. So nature is just a transformation in life. And those are some of the miracles in life. And in life, we all, to grow, we need nutrients. And these nutrients are sun in nature. Some of the nutrients they need are sun and rain and dirt. And as humans, we need those nutrients, but with food and water. And to grow is going to take time. It may take years, but it is all a process. And we all go through a process in the cycle of life. And we are all a part of nature. And we're all on our unique journey in nature. And that's the miracles of life.
What about your nephew?
Well, I have a nephew, and I realized that when he was born, he was a baby. Like, babies cannot speak, or they have and they have to crawl. But with nurturing, and when you teach them how to speak, they will eventually grow into adults. And he's now 3 years old, and he plays soccer. But that just made me realize that even though I'm fully aware that we are humans and we do grow, but just taking that time out in nature to really just observe it and just study it and apply it to my life to help me become more patient is truly a lesson for me, and that's a lesson I want to share with everyone. And that is we all go through our individual journey in life.